So you may be asking yourself, what the heck is a speed build? Well, basically a speed build is we have a set amount of time to do this build, and that's from today, December 26th until January 2nd. This isn't as psychotic as a 48-hour group build like those guys out there do. There's no way I could do that. We actually have to thank our buddy Chris K over on HobbyLink International's community. He's the one that came up with this craziness. He actually named it at one point the Kenny Can't Hang group build because I wasn't able to finish. So the kit that we're going to be doing is the 1/44 scale F-14A Black Tomcat. I figured choose a small model and hopefully I can take care of this pretty quickly. Let's check out what's in the box. So in the box we have a few sheets of paper. This one just goes over the aircraft itself and gives you a little bit of information about it. Next up we have the instruction sheet. It is actually not a fold out. Once you see this, it's actually just a very long piece of paper, which I'm trying to pull it and didn't happen. And you just got to go up and down with it. Not very happy with that. Rather have a little booklet. And then we have a sheet for the decal call out for the black version or the gray and white version. Calls out all your decals that you need to place on the aircraft. Then we have a pretty nice decal sheet here with a couple different variations that you can build this kit. And of course, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going with the PLAYBOY version. Then we got our parts bag. We have a nice clear little canopy here, which is pretty cool. I'm probably going to dip that in the future. Then on a very small runner, we have the nozzles for the jet engines in the back and a couple other small pieces for the plane. On this runner, we have the bottom half of the fuselage, the tail fins, some tires, and also the wings that could be swept back or placed forward. You can see that they have the gears there. And then we have some ordnance on top over here. The next runner has the top half of the fuselage, pretty nice detail and panel lines in there. Then we got the pylons, we got more ordnance here, and then we have more ordnance up top, and one of the missiles is actually bent over there. This runner, we have the front nose cone of the aircraft, we have the jet intakes, we have the cockpit, we have ejection seats, more tires for the landing gear. And that's it, a small little kit in 1/44 scale. A very cool F-14A, one of my favorite planes. If you're interested in joining in on the speed build, just come over to community.hobbylinkinternational.com. Join in with us. I'd like to thank everybody that's joining in on the build, and good luck. Remember, this is a build that you don't have to finish. It's just pushing our limits to see if we can finish it in the allotted amount of time.